Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I appreciate you being here. I make this short and quick. I worked at IRS for 10 years. I was a teaching instructor there. I've worked thousands of cases. I've been in tax defense on the outside of IRS for 41 years, which makes us unique as we actually know the system. We don't practice at it. We are IRS. We have about 250 years of direct IRS work experience. Anyway, it seemed like such a long time ago. Anyway, I've been on all the major TV stations. So let me tell you about an IRS bank levy. I used to issue bank levies at IRS. As a matter of fact, I filled out so many bank levies, wage garnishments, and tax liens back in the day before everything was computerized. I changed my signature because it was so long, and at the end of the day, my hand was actually tired of signing so many. Really, it's a true story. So I know everything about bank levies. Most people do not know that for an IRS bank levy, the day that bank levy hits your bank, you actually have 21 days to get your money back. Yep, people don't know that. There is just a freeze code put at the bank on your money, and on the 22nd day it goes to IRS. So you actually have that period of time to go ahead and say, IRS, I need to make a deal with you. Please release the bank levy if you would. If you're after that 21 days, it's sorry, Charlie, you're not going to get your money back. So if you're within that 20 days, usually we generally call ourselves IRS. We get the bank levy released generally within 24 to 48 hours. We need your financial statement, and then we negotiate with IRS. Usually your cases go into uncollectible or a part pay agreement, and then we can get those bank levies to you. So the releases, so you never actually you don't lose any of your money really at the bank. You just kind of keep it there. People move it sometimes after that levy because they don't want IRS knowing where it is. But anyway, that's what some people do. In the meantime, that's how you get your bank levy release. You call IRS, you give them a financial statement, and they put you either an uncollectible or which is a hardship, or they set you up on an agreement. If you call yourself, I give you a warning. You're not going to know how IRS is going to rip through your financial statement. I guarantee you, if you call versus us, there's going to be a big difference because IRS has a very tough standard of what they allow for your financial statement. And if you don't know what that is, when you call IRS, it's going to be a really bad hair day for you. Anyway, at the end of the day, you got to really solve your problem. The levy is only part of the problem. We're just putting a Band-Aid on a hemophiliac. It's going to continue to bleed. At the end of the day, you want to completely close your case and have an exit strategy. So anyway, if you need us, we're available now. You know the truth, so it may not be as bad as you think. If you're within the 21 days, you're probably going to get your money back. It was just a warning shot. Thank you very much. I told you the truth. Give me a subscription if you would. I really appreciate it. If you call our offices, I answer the phone. Maybe we don't have secretaries. We don't have secretaries for a reason. You're welcome to email me if you have a question. I try to get back as many times as I can to people. That's my wife carrying a body. Thank you so very much. I appreciate your time.